A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start with you chapter number 18, direct and indirect speech. Direct speech, as the name specifies, direct means when we are talking with someone and we have face to face contact, whereas indirect speech means when there is not direct speech, there is not direct talking with anyone. So, here we are going to discuss the rules which are used to change direct speech into indirect speech. Direct speech is always written in the quotation marks, whereas when it is converted into indirect speech, then all the quotation marks are removed. Now I am going to discuss some rules with you which we are going to follow in the while we are changing the direct speech into indirect one. So let us discuss them. Changing rules. Yesterday's is changed into the day before or the previous day. If there is tomorrow in the direct speech, then it is changed into the next day or the following day. This is changed into that. Here is changed into there. Is MR. If there are is MR in the direct speech, then they are changed into was or were depending upon the subject. If was and were helping verb are there, then they are changed into had been. Has have changed into had. First form changed into second form. Second form changed into had plus third form. Can change into could. Will or shall. Will change into would and shall change into should. May change into might. Now change into then. And today change into that day. So, these are some rules which we are going to follow while we are changing direct speech into indirect speech. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept of how we can change the direct speech into indirect speech one. There are two parts in the direct speech: reported verb and reported speech. The part which is before the quotation marks, that is known as reported verb, and the part which is in the quotation mark, that is known as reported speech. So these are some basic rules which we follow while we are changing the direct speech into indirect speech. So please learn these rules. Just give 2 or 3 times reading, then you can easily memorize them. And then tomorrow I will discuss with you how we can change direct speech into indirect one. Thank you and have a nice day.